Fellow goddesses, why be just one?
Be fire, be fury, be your own grand jury. Be the one who pouts, deliver knockouts. Why be one when you can be many? Be the boss lady, or the goth lady. Be the prima donna, you know you wanna. Play with toys, be your own joy. Be coy, be shy, be an ally. Why be one when you can be many? Be the bombshell, or drop a bombshell. Be a warrior, break barriers. Look like a pro, have a go. Be a princess, be excess. Be loud, be proud. I ask again, why be one when you can be many? Boddess.com, your ultimate beauty destination. Download the app now. I am many.